We're at the entrance to our property. We want to show you all the work that Doran did and our nice long 1,200 foot long, 75 foot wide driveway. It won't look 75 feet in most places because there's still a lot of vegetation. But here we go. Everything that you see cleared was cleared by my sweet honey. We just went through Sleepy Hollow. That's what we call that one section. That's our neighbor's house to the right, Gary and Melissa. And there we go. A little rough, but it's okay. We got this. Alright. You think our driveway is done yet? Nope, it's not. Yep, there's a little hole there. I'm gonna try to avoid it. I might still hit it. Nope, didn't do too bad. Okay, so now this is more driveway. 75 feet wide. There are 2 fences on each side. All this area was cleared by Doran. Oh,
Rabbit?
What was that? It was a little baby. Little baby rabbit.
Little rabbits. There's rabbits all up and down here.
Yeah. That one was a little one. Hey, baby. Okay. So all this was, do you see that really tall grass on the right and the left? Yeah, that's what was here. Not anymore. Do you see that opening ahead? That was completely closed off. But Doran opened it up, and that is the entrance to our property proper. We have a what? What's down there?
There's something by the tree.
There's something white, isn't there?
Brown.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe a tree.
Ooh. So, here's this. Here we go through. We have a 2-acre driveway and 11.5 acres of property. You see all this cleared land here?
Yeah, we did it.
We did it. Well, Doran cleared it.
You gonna make a circle?
Yep, I'm gonna make a circle. Now, there is a walnut tree in the back right corner of our property. This right here is all the area that's cleared, and this right here is where our house will be. And then the rest of the acreage way back there, that's going to be farm and fun and trees, fruits and nuts, bees, goats. Anyway, come visit us sometime.